Have you ever had a guardian angel experience? When I was in sophomore year, I always sat by myself at lunch because I didn't have any friends to hang out with. I'd always pretend to study so nobody would think I was alone, until a group of 3 girls sat down at my table one day. I had never seen them before, and they asked if I wanted to come have lunch with them. I knew these girls were popular, and I was afraid they were going to try and pull some sick prank, so I tried to tell them no. However, one of the girls, Sarah, kept pushing. She told me she always saw me sitting by myself and that it would be fun. I eventually gave in, and we got into one of their cars. After a few minutes as we were driving down the main road from our school, 4 cop cars passed us going the other way. We didn't really think about it, but they were headed straight to our school. Of course we thought it was strange, but had no idea what was about to happen. On the way back, the road was shut down, and we were told we couldn't go back to our school. I had never seen so many cops in my life, and we noticed the smoke coming from our school. They wouldn't tell us why or what was even going on. Well, I went to Columbine High School, and that was the day 2 students brought weapons to our school. If it wasn't for those girls, I would have been in the cafeteria